Our game, I think we are preparing our game in a fantastic way with our players. Um, we are ready for the game, and we are doing everything to win that game. Very important, of course. We know that it will not be easy, like every games in that PSL, and we don't have to look after the login. We know that Magizi is a brave team, very compact, with a very strong team spirit. And we've been doing a great job since the beginning of the week, preparing mentally, physically, tactically that game, and we really want to start the year in a good shape, front of our fans, and of course we are happy to see our fans and to play for the first game of the season at